Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. Today we're turning our focus to an absolute titan of the automotive world. We're talking about one of the most iconic vehicles ever built, the Toyota Land Cruiser 300. Now, if you know anything at all about the Land Cruiser, you already know its reputation. This isn't just another cushy ride for dropping the kids off at school. It's legendary for being incredibly tough, reliable, and literally almost unstoppable in any environment. But the newest generation has brought some massive, game-changing updates to the table, and we really need to unpack exactly what those mean for its long-standing legacy.
Okay, let's dive into this because we absolutely have to talk about the price tag right out of the gate. Depending on your market, this SUV starts at over $80,000. And in some countries, it actually costs more than an entire house. That is a staggering premium to pay for a vehicle that originally built its reputation on rugged, everyday utility.
So that brings us to the ultimate question we're answering today. Is the Land Cruiser 300 truly worth that astronomical price point, or is it just kind of living off the hype of its legendary name? Because here's the reality. The new generation has changed a lot. We're talking a brand new engine, new technology, and a totally new design. We've got to figure out if it's actually gotten better or if it's lost that special magic that made it so iconic in the first place.
Section 1. Design and Interior Comfort.
To really see how the Land Cruiser balances its rugged dirt road roots with modern luxury, you just have to look at its exterior presence. It has this incredibly bold and commanding stance. Right up front, you get this massive grille that makes the SUV look utterly dominant on the road. The LED headlights are super sharp and modern, keeping that aggressive edge, while the classic boxy SUV shape remains totally intact. It isn't a flashy SUV trying to show off, you know? It's built to look powerful, and it absolutely hits the nail on the head.
Now, stepping inside the cabin, you immediately notice this fascinating balance between high-end luxury and everyday practicality. The interior is absolutely packed with highly comfortable features. You've got a large infotainment display, beautiful premium materials paired with leather seats, a really sleek digital instrument cluster, and of course, just a massive amount of space. The seats are extremely comfortable, which, let's be honest, is absolutely vital when you're taking this thing on long, grueling drives. And this brilliantly illustrates a key philosophy here. Sure, if you compare it to top-tier German luxury SUVs, the interior might not feel quite as, say, futuristic, but actually, that's entirely by design. Everything you touch feels incredibly solid and durable. It's designed for real-world use, not just to look pretty sitting in a showroom. But what happens when that real-world use takes you entirely off the pavement?
Section 2. Performance and off-road capability.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is what's under the hood. It's easily the most controversial and fascinating update of this new generation, a massive engine swap. The old, deeply beloved V8 engine, it's gone. In its place, Toyota has dropped in a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6. And honestly, it works beautifully. It actually delivers incredibly strong acceleration, highly smooth power delivery, and even better efficiency than the old V8. Out on the highway, it feels perfectly stable and just effortless.
But let's be honest with ourselves. Highway driving isn't why you buy a Land Cruiser, right? The real strength of this vehicle, the place where it truly dominates, is its off-road capability. You are equipped with a massive off-road arsenal here. You get multi-terrain modes to adapt to whatever earth is beneath you, crawl control for super careful navigation over rocky obstacles, and a highly advanced 4x4 system. This is a vehicle literally designed to conquer nature.
With all those features working together, this thing can go pretty much anywhere. Deep mud, shifting sand, steep mountains, it handles all of these extreme terrains without breaking a sweat. The second the pavement ends, the Land Cruiser is absolutely 100% in its element.
Section 3. True cost of ownership.
But we can't just talk about climbing mountains all day. We need to pivot back to everyday reality. We need to be completely realistic here about its single biggest flaw. Fuel economy on the Land Cruiser 300 is, well, it's not great. Depending on how you drive, you're looking at roughly 15 to 20 miles per gallon. Let me be perfectly clear. This is not an efficient daily commuter for running errands around town. You are going to be visiting the gas pump frequently.
So, the crucial point is how you weigh that inefficiency against the long-term reality of owning this SUV. Yes, you have some serious drawbacks, the low 15 to 20 mpg, the incredibly high premium price point, and its overall inefficiency as a daily driver. But those are countered by some massive benefits. You get legendary Toyota reliability, maintenance is generally straightforward, which is super rare for a vehicle this capable, and the resale value? It is incredibly strong.
These benefits are exactly why owners keep these vehicles for years and sometimes literally for decades.
Section 4. The final verdict.
All right, it's time to bring all the evidence together. At this $80,000 premium price point, you definitely have serious competition. On one hand, you have the German luxury SUVs. They offer more trendy tech, ultimate comfort, and highly flashy interiors. But on the other hand, you have the Land Cruiser 300, offering unparalleled durability, rock-solid reliability, and actual, real off-road performance. So why choose the Toyota? Because absolutely none of those competitors can match it when things get genuinely tough. It's built for people who actually use their SUV, not just folks who drive it from the quiet suburbs into the city.
To summarize all of this, the Land Cruiser 300 hits absolutely every mark on the legendary checklist. If you're looking for cutting-edge, super trendy tech and an ultra-luxurious interior, you might want to look elsewhere. But if you want proven reliability, real off-road capability, incredibly strong resale value, and a vehicle built to be absolutely dependable, then it perfectly lives up to its legendary name. It isn't trying to be trendy, it is exactly what it promises to be.
So, I'm going to leave you with this final thought to ponder. Knowing what you know now about the fuel economy, the insane durability, that new twin-turbo V6, and of course, that massive starting price, would you choose the Land Cruiser 300? Or would you take that $80,000 and go for something a bit more luxury-focused? It's a really fascinating choice between pure status and unstoppable capability. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and keep learning.